Hey guys, welcome back. So this is another video. It's been sponsored again. I'd like to thank him for the sponsorship, and I've done another video of this sponsor. This is the skull head, but in this video we're doing a cat. So I've just gone ahead and printed and cutted them. So I've just got to score them. And the thing that I love about this one, they have numbers on them, and each number is designated to another one of these. So when you do print them, keep these cats as well, because it just makes it easier of what part you're doing. So this is the 38. So there's the 38. So when you're doing them, you know what part of the cat you're doing. So that just makes it a bit more easier. So I'm just going to go ahead and score them. And also another thing, these lines like that, they go inwards. And these lines, they go outwards. And I'm going to put a picture up as well. And make sure you've got a cotton mat underneath so you don't damage your surface. And it's really easy with this company. All you do is go on their website. I'm going to put the link down below of this one. You're going to pay for the PDF file. Then once you pay, they're going to send you the links and you're going to download it. And I recommend you download it on card paper, which I've done this here as well, but I've just done on a shiny one. Once you do download it on the card paper, you just print it and then you just cut them out. I'm going to put a video on after this as well, printing them. And make sure you don't score like right to the end, because it just comes off. And normally with these PDFs, we do recommend you use PVA glue. But if you are going to print it on a shiny piece of paper, I recommend use hot glue gun. Because with the PVA, it makes your fingers kind of dirty, and then it makes the item quite dirty as well, the paper. And like I said, we're just going to go and score them. So these lines, first push them outwards. Like that, and then push them back in. And then for these ones, you're just going to push these ones outwards. They're mostly the lines that you push inwards rather than the lines that you push outwards. And this is part 51 that I'm doing. And the same thing goes to this. Push it out and then push it back in. And then we're going to put it aside, and I'm going to put the number of the cat right next to it. So this is another one that I've just recently done. It's from the same company. It's a skull head. And I'm going to use this for my living room decor. And it was really easy. Literally took, I think, about 3 or 4 hours. But yeah, so I'm going to put the link down below of this one as well, where to purchase it and how to make it. So be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've done many more videos like these. Hit that notification bell and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about this video. Let me know if you have tried this. And share the love.